Update. Here's an update on my SMC A52, aka the Standard Series ceiling fan that's installed in my bedroom. I told you I would not break my promises on this fan. So, like it, you see here, I got this off Facebook Marketplace. And came with this piece of crap. I decided not to I decided not to use that. Decided to just use a light kit. Dude, put my duffel bag back there, please. There you go. Yeah. The only thing I don't like about the light kit, I think maybe it's the switch. The switch is like, I think the spring on it's broken, so it wouldn't pop back on. And I think I tried WD-40, it didn't do anything. So I might replace the full chain later on and see what I can do. So the light gonna stay on for the video. So yeah. So here's the low setting. If I can get the thing to start. The burns are kind of Let's see if I can start. There you go. I do apologize to glare, y'all. This is the best I can do. If I can try it, here. There you go. Try to see if I can pull. You know, like it does work. The pull chain does work, but the spring on it broke. I don't know. I don't know how the pull chain mechanism inside of it works, but I believe the pull chain. I believe the spring. Get it a little faster, I think. Or so kick it up just a bit. Yeah, looks better on this fan already. All I need now is the original canopy and down rod for the fan and the mounting hardware. Other than that, it's all good to go. Let's speed up. This is a nice aesthetic low. Let's kick it up to an average medium. An average low. I tried to find the exact light kit for the fan with the trumpet arms. It wouldn't. With the trumpet arms and everything like that, but had no luck. Which I mean, that these two right there, either they're just very rustic, not rustic, very rust. They're sticked up together. It wouldn't move even with the yeah. And I fixed the wobbling situation too, so I can show you on reverse on high speed without being paranoid about the box and everything like that. Yeah, it had a turtle feather with the globes, the amber globes on it. But then I never really liked that one. Let's try to kick it up to like a medium-ish speed. She does shudder very slightly, but it's kind of like a medium speed. I put balancing kits on the fan so that way it wouldn't wobble as bad as it once was. Let's kick it up a little bit. with a good amount of error, as it normally does. I'm going to put it to its low setting, and then I want to go to reverse it. Because, to be honest, I'm just not comfortable of it doing a torquing to a different direction like that. Because only whenever I have a test mount, I would do that. But right now, no. It's not going to happen until then. But yeah, this is a slow setting on the control. And this nice, slow, aesthetic low. And turn on the light. If I can try to turn on the light. Give me a second, y'all. There you go. Alright, here it is with the light. Yeah, I need to replace that pull chain on the light. I thought it was stiff for a second when I got it, but then I realized, oh, it just got a bad pull chain. So, let's kick it up to like a medium speed. Or like a average slow speed. There, you can see there's less wobble than it was when I last time ran it for y'all. But I did swap them blades around, tried to tweak the blades a little bit, and then put the bouncing kits on it. And it surprisingly does work. Alright, let's kick it up to like a medium-ish speed. I think the style of glove like this reminds me of the old Antica ceiling fan that used to be in my parents' bedroom. But then the capacitor blew out on that one, and then we had to take it down. And then the glove, I broke the glove a long time ago before we took down the fan, and except it was the 4-inch schoolhouse glove, not a 3-inch, not a 3.5. 3.5 frosted like glove like this. But I'll try to find a tulip set to put on this one. And she does right, let's kick it up all the way up the high. Let me tell you, it kicks. And when the fan here runs off speed, gets you a bit paranoid, but here, let me tell you something. It will be fine unless you have a sturdy box, which still ain't sturdy. I might have to get like a 2x4 or 6x6 to get in there and then just get that thing mounted, because I don't know. I'm not gonna be here for long. But I don't know how long I'm gonna be living in my parents' in my parents' house, but I might just try to put a light once I move out because it's not safe. So, yeah. And let's kick it off. This time I'm going to show you spin down so that way you can see. For those of you who are just wanting to see the spin down. That's not going to be everything, not going to be an everyday thing when I do videos, y'all. This is just going to be ones every now and then. Because, to be honest with you, spin downs are just a waste of time, in my personal opinion. So, yeah. And plus, you know how it is. All right. Thank you very much. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.